Hello students, I am Bharti Shinde working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. In this video, we will see example of projection of plane. So, example is an isosceles triangle base 30 mm and altitude 50 mm is having its base on HP. Plane is perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP such that top view appears as an equilateral triangle. Draw three views of plane and find angle with HP. So for these, first of all, we will draw a XY line. Like this, and give name to this line as X, and we have to draw three views, so extend this line and give its name here as Y. So X and Y. Now isosceles triangle dimensions given as base 30 mm and altitude 50 mm, which we will draw below XY line because it is given that its base on HP. Plane is perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP. So plane is inclined to HP given and perpendicular to VP given. So we will take side AB base as vertical. So draw a line and AB base given as 30 mm. So I will take 30 distance. You can take a random distance from XY line, and I will draw a line AB having side 30. So this is 30 we have drawn, and altitude given as 50 mm. So for this, we will measure 50 distance. Now isosceles triangle is given, so take half of this 30, that is 15, and draw a line from this. So we will get center point of triangle like this. So we have got these points. Now give names to these points as AB, and now join 3 points of isosceles triangle. Like this. Give name to this point as point C. Now we will draw front view. So this is point C dash, and this is point A dash B dash. This is our front view. Now it is given as we have to find angle with HP, and plane is perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP such that top view appears as an equilateral triangle. So top view in stage 2, this is stage 1, top view in stage 1 and this is front view in stage 1. So top view in stage 2 will be a equilateral triangle. So for this, draw projections from top view of stage 1 like this, and now top view is equilateral triangle given and we know this side is 30 mm. So equilateral triangle will be having distance 30 mm. So draw 30 mm line, then measure 30 distance in rounder and draw a arc. We will get one point. Like this, join these points and give names to these points as this is suppose A1 you can give, then this is B1 and this is C1. So this is top view in stage 2. Now we will take projection of this triangle upward and projection of front view. Already there is a horizontal line. So next, as we know, we will draw this front view with the help of stage 1 front view. So for this, measure distance from stage 1 front view. So this is point which is A dash A dash B dash, and now take distance from this front view and draw arc on this line which is projection from top view. So this point shows C dash. Now join A dash, B dash and C dash. Which is a front view in stage 2. Now this angle we have to measure. So you can measure this angle, and this angle is 59 degree. So theta is equals to 59 degree. So it is angle with HP. Now it is given that draw 3 views. So we have to draw side view also. So for side view, I will draw a XY line . So X1, Y1, XY line already we have drawn. So vertical line is X1, Y1, and from this point measure 45 degree angle for projection. Now take projection of this top view up to 45 degree line like this. And now take projection of this upward. Also take projection of front view in stage 2 in horizontal direction. And now join the points. So A1 and A1. So this is point A double dash. Now this is point C and point C. So C double dash and point B and point B. So it is point B double dash. Now join all these A dash, B dash and A double dash, B double dash and C double dash points. So you will get side view, which is a left hand side view. So this is left hand side view. Now we have completed. Show here 45-degree angle, and this is VP and this is HP. So VP and HP, write names. After this, show this distance as 30. So this is 30. And show altitude 50 also. So this is 50. I will give this name top view below 50, or you can give at side like this. So in this way we have completed this example.